In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Store games to your desktop. If you want faster access to a game you installed from the Microsoft Store, creating a desktop shortcut is a simple and convenient option. This lets you launch the game directly from your desktop without needing to search through the Start menu every time. To begin, open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the main Windows menu where your apps and games are listed. If you're using a touchscreen device, you can also tap the Start icon instead. Once the Start menu is open, click All Apps in the top right corner. This will switch your view to the full list of software installed on your computer. It's helpful because Microsoft Store games may not always appear right away in the Pins section, so the full apps list makes them easier to find. Next, scroll down through the list until you locate the Microsoft Store game you want to add to your desktop. Take your time here, especially if you have a lot of apps installed. The list is usually organized alphabetically, which can make the game easier to spot. When you find the game, click and hold the game icon, then drag it completely out of the Start menu. Keep holding it as you move it over to an empty space on your desktop, then release it. This creates a desktop shortcut, giving you a quick way to open the game whenever you want. If the desktop is crowded, it may help to clear a small space first, so the shortcut is easy to place and find later. Once the icon appears on the desktop, you're all set. That's how to add a Microsoft Store game to your desktop quickly and easily.